defense system over the Tawan of Retabot in South Israel on October 8, 2022. The PL attack on Israel was the latest attack on this territory in half a country. Israel officially declared one on Hamas on Sunday at the death toll in the wartime to 1,000 after Israel military groups launched his-face surprise attack from Gaza. See you in the next breaking news.